my favorite store. I have returned. I want to go in here and look at that Hero 8. I just saw a video on it. Man, does that thing look good? So we're gonna check it out. That's for sure. What do they got here? Oh, look at this. They got Sparks for sale. I thought those things were like discontinued. They got new ones. They start making them again? They don't even show these on the DJI website. What the hell? What do we got here? Here's a Mavic 2 Flying Work kit. There. And this Q battery. $100 for them Evo batteries. And what are those filters there? I tried to put one the other day on my Mavic Pro, one of these. When I was up at the dam, it wouldn't calibrate the gimbal. The gimbal would not calibrate, so I had to take the filter off, which caused the video to wash out like that, and then that's when I had to use the color correction, the LumaFusion. So that's the reason all that happened. This mic is pretty nice. I picked one of them up before. They're pretty good. Well, there's some Manafi props. Boy, they're really getting stocked up for Christmas. They even have Tello batteries in here. That's crazy. Mavic Air props.
How's it going, man?
All right, good. How are you?
What's about anything I can help with?
No, I'm just looking right now.
If you've got any questions, man, definitely let me know.
All right, I will, bud. Oh yeah, that's that cable. The TRS to, how much is that cable? $15. So I could use that microphone with you could use it with the phone or with the GoPros. Huh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look into getting one of them cables because I have to use the adapter now. But I got another microphone coming, so I'm gonna wait to see how that one works. I was looking for another one of these mounts, but I don't want the Mavic one. I'm looking for the Spark one because the Spark one works with the Mavic Mini, which you don't see any Mavic Minis here, by the way. There are no Mavic Minis to be seen. Okay, now there's something I never seen before. The Osmo Mobile 3 holding a Osmo Action. I didn't even know that was doable, but I guess it is. Wow, that's pretty wild. I did not know people were doing that. I'm gonna go home and check that out, okay? I might even make a video about it. Let's go over here, see what's happening. I want these Switch, but should I get the portable one or the big one? I got enough shit hooked to the TV. I kind of like the portable one better. Okay, I'm gonna get the Hero 8 Black. Hell with it. They could just sell that 7 and get it over with. Who knows? Maybe I can use it on the Karma.